everyone, welcome back to TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to log in Gmail in desktop. So for that, first of all, open a browser on your PC and in the new tab you need to type in gmail.com and press enter. This will direct you to the Gmail official sign-in page. Here you provide the email address, click on next. Now provide the password and then tap on next. With this, you will be logged in into the Gmail account of yours. So this is how you can log in into the Gmail in the web browser or in desktop or in your PCs. This is the same process for the Mac as well. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.